Fall is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect cozy candlelit fall DIY wedding centerpiece. It's elegant, warm, and sets the mood for any event. Completed with a stunning fall floor arrangement. Please stay tuned and watch how I put together this beautiful masterpiece. Also, if you enjoy DIY inspired videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with a friend. For the next step, my power drill battery died, so I had to improvise and get creative. I manually created a hole in the wooden plank by using a screw and hammer to carefully puncture through the surface. Next, I used a sharp tool to refine and finish carving out the hole in the plank. The secret to achieving this centerpiece style lies in the 14-inch floral wreath ring from Dollar Tree. Its main purpose is to support the wooden plank. Make sure the zip tie you select is both strong and durable and properly fits the size of the hole you've made in the wooden plank. I arrange the plank in a cross pattern over the wreath, then secure them in place using a zip tie. Coupling you select is the perfect fit for the candles you plan to use. Next, I'll glue the PVC coupling onto the wooden planks. I start by measuring the placement to ensure everything is aligned. For this centerpiece, I'm arranging the couplings so the candles will create a visually striking candlelit candelabra effect. I glued the next two PVC couplings together to create a visually taller effect for the center candle, completing the overall candelabra design. Okay guys, so I am done spray painting my candelabra. So let me know, what do you guys think? So I did do a little bit of change. I know that I showed that I was going to use this spray paint. However, I did not like the finish of the spray paint, so I ended up using this Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. I love the finish of this spray paint way better than the finish of this brand of Rust-Oleum spray paint. So this is the spray paint that's on this, and I just love the outcome. The finish is absolutely beautiful. It just gives you the perfect gold color that you are looking for. Comment below, let me know, what do you guys think? It just gives me this perfect fall vibe type centerpiece. You can use it for any event. You can use it for a wedding. You can use it for any parties that you are throwing it for. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the floor arrangement. And the mood that I am going for the floral arrangement is like a fall mood. We are in that season where you could find fall flowers pretty much everywhere. I did share on my channel on the places that I shop for flowers for my DIY videos or for any events that you're hosting. Definitely check my channel out for that video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks with the candles in before I do the floral arrangement. I feel like I should have showed you guys that before I went ahead and added the noodles, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick look. As you can see, it's the perfect fit. No issues. There you have it. no.